So over the last couple of weeks, an organisation called Wilderness Committee, who I work for, along with another organisation called Council of Canadians, we sat down and talked about the need for us to create a summit, a real forum, which actually got the truth, the realities of the LNG proposals that this province and industry are making for everyone here in British Columbia. It's 9 out of 10 of the new gas wells that will fund the LNG industry are fracked. Fracking drives climate change. It releases what's called methane. That has 70 times as much of an impact on our atmosphere than carbon dioxide. Many people in British Columbia, if they knew the cost of climate change in human terms and economic terms, would not sign up to this future that this government and industry are forcing us into.
Just last year we used 10.8 billion liters of fresh water pulled out of the northern boreal muskeg rivers and lakes and streams. So imagine that going up to 50 billion a year in perpetuity. Then last time I heard Rich Coleman, he said it was going to be 85 years. We have enough, we're going to run this industry for. Today it went up to 150. 150 years. Now that's lunacy. Mr. Hughes says we could do this volume for 7 years and we'd run out of gas.
People are very intelligent in Canada, and there's a lot of ways of getting the information to them. So we're going to try everything we can to get the information to them and let the people decide.
There's got to be some kind of commitment that comes from Union of BC Indian Chiefs, putting a motion on the floor for the people that they represent, saying that we're going to be a central hub with the unions that are up there, and we're going to start working collaboratively with one another on serious rallies, serious marches, serious opposition, and getting on the streets, not just by saying it, but by actually doing it.
There's a lot of snake oil being sold here to investors around the world.
We've got people like myself right now that have already committed to getting arrested to make sure that we put an end to what's going on out there right now.
No, it's not a job creator actually. It's not clean, it means toxifying massive amounts of water. It's not an income generator when you factor in how expensive climate change is for BC. People often make that argument that it will displace coal somewhere, but there's no hard and fast proof of that.
We need the people to actually be empowered to actually do something that is right.
Call me simple, but the way to deal with climate change is to create less fossil fuels, not more.
June 15th is when TransCanada is proposing to start construction. That has to be a day where everybody starts focusing on shutting them down. Shut them down.